How to make an appeal on Roblox. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make an appeal on Roblox. First, you need to meet a few requirements. The appeal must be submitted within 30 days of the ban, and once it has been reviewed, you cannot submit another appeal for the same incident. Only the account owner can request an appeal, meaning you cannot appeal for a friend or another user due to privacy reasons. To start, go to Roblox support in a web browser. For a faster process, make sure you're logged in to your Roblox account. If you're not logged in, you will need to manually enter some details. First, enter your birthday and tap Next if you're not already logged in. Then, provide your account username and email address so Roblox can contact you. Under the same issue details section, select the platform you play on. For the type of help, choose Moderation, then select Appeal Account Ban. In the description box, explain why your account should be unbanned. Keep it clear and to the point. Finally, tap Submit to send your appeal to the Roblox support team. You should receive a response within 24 to 48 hours. To avoid future bans, always follow Roblox's community standards. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.